Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best paper deals from August the 4th right till the 8th over at Walgreens. A lot of this is going to be done in store. Some of it's going to be done curbside, and we are looking for the cheapest deals to stock up on paper. If you have extra store rewards, cough drop ones, or just register rewards, you're like, hey, I don't know what to do. This stuff does not expire, and a lot of us couponers have a really hefty stockpile of paper products, and I think that is the smart thing to do, especially right now. I just think it's a great thing to stock up on. Couple pieces of business before we dive into the specifics of the paper deals. All of the digital coupons through the app specifically that you couldn't load are loadable right now. Sunday and Monday with the app, nope. Yesterday you could load it through the desktop computer, which was really weird. But I know there's a lot of coupons for the spend 45 to earn back 15. A lot of you could not load, and you're like, hey, nice video, but none of this makes sense. Go into the app right now. They're all loadable. And do yourself a favor, just go right to the household folder at the top of, your coupons are there. And then the itemized folder, it would be household. They're all going to be there. I think there's like 45 new coupons to load. And again, the video that I made on Sunday, it was somewhat frustrating because you're like, hey, I can't load any of these coupons. So again, if you want to watch that again, or possibly yesterday's curbside video, they'll be linked at the very end for you guys. Okay, so the first deal we're going to look at, it's a tinge fancier than the normal paper that we're looking at. It is to grab one of these Angel Softs and one of these Brawnies. It's like a tier right under Charmin. It's really, really good, especially that Brawny. The 2 = 6. You might be thinking you're just buying 2 rolls of paper towel. It lasts a really long time, especially if you have pets. It cleans up messes. It's a great paper product. Now, both of these products have dollar digital coupons, and it's on a promotion this week that when you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. So that is nothing to sneeze at. And again, I think you would find all of these coupons itemized under household if you could not load them. And there was also a new app update for Walgreens, so you might have to do that and then go and load your coupons. And it's just, I think there was something messy with the app, so that's why they had it shut down for like 2 days, which is awesome during the beginning of a coupon week. So 2 of these friends at $6.99 a pop is $13.98, and we're doing 1 Brawny, 1 Angel Soft. Subtracting $2 in digitals, you're going to pay $11.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Not sure if that new app update, I could not get a discount code to work with this, like WAG10 or Senior 20, like nothing was working. This is the Walgreens generic brand of their toilet paper and paper towel. Very similar to Sparkle and Angel Soft as well. It's $5. We have a $1.50 store coupon, dropping it down to $3.50. And these are very easy to stack as well in a stockpile because the packages are very uniformed if you were going to grab a bunch of them. But for this deal, you're going to have to load this. And in case you used it last week, you would just go to your digital coupons folder at the very top where it says household, the subfolder, and that's where you would load it a second time. Or you could just look up the item specifically on the app and then just go a little bit below and press the plus sign to refresh the coupon or reload it to your card. Now, if you are just not so particular with having all that toilet paper, that $1.50 coupon's also attaching to paper plates, the Walgreens bath cups, their dishwasher tabs. There's a whole assortment of products that they've kind of branched out. It's just not paper products. So if you wanted to get like some other cheap little items, say paper plates or those, little cups, you can do that as well. Grabbing 4 of the toilet papers in store, that would be exactly $20 at $5 each. Subtracting that $1.50 coupon times 4, that's $6 in a store coupon melting off. So it would be 14 for 4 or $3.50 per bag. Unfortunately, I could not get WAG10 or anything like that to work. If you want to try later in the week, maybe you'll have better luck than I, but right now the app is fixed but not working at 100%, if you know what I mean. It's okay to use Walgreens cash, or if you have any register rewards that you want to throw in. Walgreens Cash, obviously, if you're doing the deal with no booster, but say you have that cough drop or other high value register rewards that are going to expire. I know there was that Olay Dove one that had a quick expiry date. If you wanted to throw it in this deal, I think it's a super smart thing to do, especially to stock up on paper goods right now. I certainly would be doing that, and I have been. This is an interesting one. These puffs, and this is for back to school, obviously, because I think it says A+ at the front. What does it say? A+ softness. Back to school, a lot of us have to buy these for classrooms. It's like one item that's needed. Original price is almost $9, but it's $6.99 this week. We have a $2 digital, dropping this guy down to $4.99, which is a really great price point. These are the larger horizontal boxes. They're not the cubes. You're getting a lot of tissues in there. So I would definitely stock up if this is your thing. And a lot of people prefer puffs over Kleenex. I hear you. And this is probably, one item either way I would get. I did try to do a $45 P&G basket for you guys, but there were so few coupons that it was like the out of pocket would have been like $46 to get 15 back. It is just far too much. So the better thing to do is go with the Walgreens generic brand or Quilted Northern Angel Soft, that deal, than to stock up on something just because it's name brand. But this for $4.99 is a deal. Deal that we're looking at is going to be done curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, pressing for a curbside pickup. It's a box on the left hand side with a green check, and then you're driving to the store, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. We're going to toss in 6 of these Walgreens $1.99 toilet papers and then the 4 counters, or you can get the one large paper towel alternatively. So 6 of them at $1.99 is $11.94. Now this is weird because even though this is a sales price, WAG 10 is applying to this. It wasn't for the other deal for me this morning, but this one it is. Maybe it just likes this one more specifically, but it's taking $1.19 off. So some savings right there. Again, if you're watching this video later in the week, I know a lot of you catch this video later in the week, perhaps that other toilet paper deal for the $5 ones, it would be better to do that one curbside than in store, but you obviously can't use register rewards to get a smaller out of pocket, only Walgreens Cash. So the overall total for this, for the 6 friends, is $11.94. WAG 10 taking $1.19 off. And free curbside pickup, just a little bit of tax. So it's $11.40. I personally would use $10 of Walgreens Cash if you might have it. Pay $1.40. And because this does take up a little bit of space, any sort of paper product does, they usually store this at the photo counter. Try and get to the store like the same day that you put the order in so the employees are not tripping over your order, just to be extra courteous. That's it for this video. Yesterday's P&G deal linked right here. Check it out, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.